Sociology, Class 12, Chapter 2, Demographic Structure of the Indian Society. 1 mark and important questions with answers. What is demography? Demography is the systematic study of the population of a country, area, community, etc. The term is of Greek origin and is composed of two words, demos meaning people and graphein meaning describe. What are the two types of demography? Formal demography and social demography. What is social demography? Social demography means birth rate, death rate and migration that happens in a particular society. What is formal demography? Formal demography means statistical analysis of population, that is total population, number of males, number of females, number of youth, working population, rural or urban quantitative data. What does demography study about? Demography studies the trends and processes associated with population, including changes in population size, patterns of birth, death and migration, and the structure and composition of the population, such as the relative proportions of women, men and different age groups. What is positive check? Natural disasters cause many people to die and the population is naturally controlled. If one doesn't take care of themselves, nature will take care of them. Example, earthquakes and tsunami. What is preventive check? Man-made. Example, late marriage, celibacy, contraceptives, etc. What was the criticism about Malthus? Malthus was criticized by liberals and Marxist scholars for asserting that poverty was caused by population growth. The critics argued that problems like poverty and starvation were caused by the unequal distribution of economic resources rather than by population growth. What did Thomas Robert Malthus say about the population growth? While population rises in geometric progression like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, etc., agricultural production can only grow in arithmetic progression like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. What are the three basic phases of population growth? The first stage, primitive stage, that is underdeveloped countries, for example, Africa. Second, the second stage, developing countries, for example, India, Pakistan. Stage of transition. Countries are moving from underdeveloped to developed. Third stage, developed countries like USA and UK. Explain about underdeveloped countries. Stage 1, underdeveloped countries. Birth rate is high since people are unaware of the advantages of having small families. They are not educated. They do not know the usage of contraceptives also. Death rate is also high since health and medical facilities are not available. Therefore, population is low. Explain about developing countries. Stage 2, developing countries. Birth rate is high as we live in a patriarchal society where men decide how many children must be born and male child is preferred. Illiteracy and people are ignorant. Death rate is also low since health and medical facilities are available. Therefore, population is high and results in population explosion. Demographic dividend. When the working population increases more than the non-working population. Explain about developed countries. Stage 3, developed countries. Birth rate is low, people are educated and aware and use contraceptives. Birth control is popularized. Death rate is also low because of availability of health and medical facilities. Therefore, population is low. What is population explosion? When the birth rate of a country is high and the death rate is low because of availability of health and medical facilities. Therefore, population is exploding or increasing. What is birth rate? The number of live births per thousand population. What is death rate? Number of deaths per thousand population. It is also called mortality rate. What is rate of natural increase? The difference between birth rate and death rate in an area. What is replacement level? Present generation replaces the previous or older generation. What is zero level? Replacement is same. Same number of people replace same number of older generation called stabilized level. Parents are replaced by two children. What is negative level? Number of people replacing older generation are less. Parents replaced by child. That is, if two people are dying, only one child is born. So it is a negative level. What is fertility rate? Number of live births between the age of 15 to 49 years per thousand women. What is total fertility rate? Number of women who give birth to children in a particular area at a particular age 15 to 49 years. So there is a difference between fertility rate and total fertility rate. What is infant mortality rate? Number of infants who have died below the age of 1 per thousand live births. What is maternal mortality rate? Number of women who died during childbirth per thousand population. What is life expectancy rate? Number of years that one is expected to live as determined by statistics may be individually qualified by this person's condition, race, sex, age, or other demographic factors. What is sex ratio? Number of females per thousand males. What is age structure? The structure of the population in terms of age. In India, 0 to 15 are considered as youth, 15 to 65 are considered as working population, and above 64 years are considered as dependent population. Dependent population and youth do not work, they are all dependent on the working population. What is dependency ratio? The number of people who are not working and are dependent on the working population. Ratio of the dependent population to the working population is higher. What is demographic dividend? When the working population in a country is more than the dependent or non-working population, it is demographic dividend. Positive. Economic growth for the country, although it is a temporary phase. What is an epidemic? Disease which is widespread and affects lakhs of people in a large area. For example, during the World War, there spread the Spanish influenza. Example, epidemics like swine flu, chikungunya, plague, malaria, etc. What is age structure of Indian population? 0 to 15 years youth population, 15 to 64 years working population, above 64 years old or retired population. What do you mean by demographic dividend? Working population is higher than the non-working population. What are the reasons for declining sex ratio? Mindset of the people, neglect of girl child, female feticide or infanticide, maternal mortality rates, women dying during childbirth. What is sonography? It is to know the sex of the child, the Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act or Regulation and Prevention of Misuse Act, which came up in 1996 and was later enforced in 2003. This does not allow the sex of the child to be known. What is literacy? Literacy is the ability to read or write. Education is a combination of formal and informal education. Kerala has the maximum literacy rate, whereas Rajasthan and northern states have low literacy rate. How is mass media responsible for migration? Mass media is responsible for making the rural area aware of the urban area and one of the causes of migration from rural to urban. Many resources of the rural areas is being taken away, such as rivers drying up, land due to construction is making them move to urban areas. And in urban areas there is anonymity and no one cares about caste, etc. What is metropolis? City with infrastructure and the suburbs are different. What is megapolis? City with infrastructure and the suburbs are included. What is population policy of India? In 1952, the National Family Planning Program NFPP was introduced. Population should be controlled and awareness should be spread in a way which is socially desirable. What is mass sterilization program? Mass sterilization program was introduced by Sanjay Gandhi, the younger son of the then Prime Minister of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, to control population. In this, tubectomy was performed for women and vasectomy for men and was conducted in a very haphazard manner. What is mass sterilization camp? It was renewed as National Family Welfare Program NFWP. In this, people could only be sterilized if the people agreed to do it and their signature was needed. Why even prosperous states have female infanticide? Prosperous states such as Punjab and Haryana have maximum female infanticide and down with burning because dowry is very high and parents want to save money. People want only 2 or 3 boys, therefore when they get a girl, they kill it and have a boy. We have come to the end of the video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.